Come on, Bugatti!
Oh!
My God! It just shot off.
Come on!
That's insane.
Is he coming? No chance.
No chance.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at it again with another video. So I'm gonna check out the JESKO Absolute versus CHIRON SUPERSPORT drag race. This is a race that you don't normally see. These are very expensive vehicles, very fast vehicles. These are the super heavyweights in the car world, in the car community. So the fact that he gets to, you know, be a part of a drag race of this magnitude, I'm definitely looking forward to checking this out, man. Should be a good one. Millions and millions and millions of dollars at high performance speeds. I'm looking to see which one's gonna come out on top. Will it be the Koenigsegg or will it be the Bugatti? Both are completely out of my tax bracket, but we're gonna check this out. Should be a good one. Let's get right into this race, man.
What will win in a drag race between a Bugatti Chiron Supersport and a Koenigsegg JESKO Absolute? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile.
Oh
I'm Matt
God.
Watson. You're watching Car Wow.
Beautiful.
So
bro.
this is a bit of a grudge match. 11 months ago, we raced a JESKO Attack against this very Chiron Supersport. The Chiron won by the narrowest of margins. And everyone online was like, oh, it's cheating, you should have had the JESKO Absolute. Well, today we have the JESKO Absolute. And huge thanks to Supercar Majlis and Pupil of Fate who bought all the cars here. And also to make sure that there's no kind of underhand or poor operation of the vehicles, we have two test drivers. We've got Goran from Bugatti.
Hi.
Just adding ballast.
Just dead weight.
Just add weight to keep an eye on me, make sure I'm operating the car properly, and we have Marcus in with Sam in the JESKO. We're going to do a slightly different format. We are going to start off with a rolling race because we want to heat up the tyres to make sure they're as grippy as possible. So we're going to go in first, doing a rolling race. First gear we're going to start off at. We're going to roll
Can
in.
we just say this cabin looks like a fucking spaceship? It's just insanity. It looks like a damn spaceship. I still don't think I've seen a Bugatti in person yet. I don't think I've been at one of those coffee and car events yet where I've seen a Bugatti in person. I want to, and that's my goal this year, to actually see a Bugatti in person.
About 10 mile an hour, 16 kilometers an hour. The starter will start us, and we are going to race the quarter mile and the half mile. It's just a case of floor it and just hold on. Do you think I can do that?
If you want, I'll push the foot.
Okay, yeah, okay. Right then, Sam. Are you ready for this? We've got no excuses. We've got our test drivers with us to make sure that we're operating the cars properly. People watching online cannot moan at us now, can they?
Of course they can.
Right, you ready for this, Marcus?
I'm more than ready.
Marcus is ready and he's just very confident, as am I. So we can apologise now for destroying you.
Just a quick thing right there. Goran, I've got a tyre pressure warning.
All good.
You sure?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
So you good?
So as an expert test driver, that's not going to affect anything. So anyone comments, they're wrong,
No,
right?
no, it's all good. It's just a warning for it's in high speed mode, so we are not doing 400 plus. Hopefully not with me in the car today.
No.
So we'll
Because
be
you like to
okay.
do that backwards, don't you? He set the speed record for going backwards. How fast did he go?
It was, I think, 275.
What?
They asked me to go in the car with you. I was like, no.
Backwards? The fact that the vehicle can even go that fast backwards is insane. What? That's crazy, bro. That's insane, bro.
In way.
You see? And I go with you.
Yeah, we're going forwards. Come on, right. Drive.
Make sure it's in sport.
Is it in sport?
S1.
You happy with my settings? Do I have to change gear?
Put it to manual now. First gear. So it sticks in first gear.
Okay. And it's going to stay in first gear?
Yes.
But it'll
Just
auto...
floor it and it will shift up automatically.
Okay, my car will shift automatically, Sam. I think you have to change gears yourself, don't you?
I don't know how to answer that without caring. So I, Marcus and the car will do optimal shifting, okay?
Good. Let's do it. Let's do it. You're going to hold this. Oh, no, actually, I'll hold it. Ready?
You want me to hold the steering wheel? No?
No, just hold my hand.
3,
Okay.
1.
Come on, Bugatti!
Oh!
My God. It just shot off.
Come on!
That's insane.
Is he coming? No chance.
No chance.
Bro, that, yeah. He got it, bro. It's shot off.
No chance.
Got it. Jeez.
Oh dear, Sam. What happened there?
Formal protest. I'm not sure we were at the prescribed speed that we said.
No, mate, you just stay level with me. I set the speed and you stay level. Do you want to set the speed?
Marcus, would you like to set the speed?
Yeah, either that or we change the gear to second instead of third.
We're happy to carry on, but we're going to go in second gear.
Rather than third? Well, you should be in first gear.
Listen, mind your business. We're going to do that again, but we're going to be in second gear, okay?
Were you in first gear then?
First would be a massive upgrade for us. We don't want that, so second will be just okay.
What are they doing?
Oh, good. First gear is probably too low on the Koenigsegg. It has 9 speeds. I think
but
the
we're
first
only-
gear is like 50.
But
And
we're
it will-
only doing 15 kilometres an hour. No, we're doing probably about 20. When we did the attack last time, it got better traction than that.
They are now full E85.
Yeah, no excuse.
That means like, no, 200 horsepower more.
Too much.
That's not better.
Oh, no, you're right. That's why you're a test driver and I'm just some bloke on YouTube.
They on full E85 too.
Sometimes less is more. That's
what you tell
calculated.
ladies. But how do these cars stack up on paper? Well, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport has an 8-litre quad-turbo W16 engine with 1600 horsepower and
Quad
1600
turbo,
newton
so
meters of
crazy,
torque.
dog.
It has all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at 1,995 kilograms and costs £5 million. The Koenigsegg JESKO Absolut has a 5-litre twin-turbo V8, and when it's running on E85 fuel, like it is now, it produces 1600 horsepower, just like the Bugatti, and 1500 newton meters of torque. But it's rear-wheel drive and has a 9-speed multi-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,390 kilograms and
Spider.
also costs £5 million. Both cars have enough torque to easily spin their wheels on a rolling start, and this was proving harder for Sam to manage because his car is just rear-wheel drive. However, he did have a trick up his sleeve.
3, 2, 1.
Come on!
Oh. It
Come on,
takes
got a
off.
race on! Oh, he's coming!
Uh-oh. Can he reel it back in? Uh-oh.
He's coming now though, Goran! He's coming!
Oh.
Come on! Come on, he failed!
Backing out of it there.
He was creeping.
So you were pulling it back and then you bailed out. What happened?
We're getting a bit of oscillation on the bumps and stuff, so it's a bit sketch, so we're just trying to manage things here.
I didn't feel no oscillations, did you?
No? All good?
Should we go?
Maybe we should switch sides. Let's start from the left side. Maybe our side is better.
Shut up!
He said,
Matt,
"Shut up."
would you mind, and I'm being awfully humble, would you mind giving us another go? We popped out of, I've popped out of manual, and we'd like to go back into manual and do that again, if that's okay.
I thought you were going to say I popped out of Marcus.
Hey, yo.
Me and Marcus have actually never been so emotionally close after the first run. We both had a near-death experience, so we're really close now.
Guys, we are holding hands in the Bugatti. Maybe they'll help. Try to do that.
Yeah, well, we've got 7 hands on the steering wheel here, so it probably holding hands doesn't work for us.
Does this work? Can you hear me?
Talk. Need to press talk.
Hello, hello, hello. I didn't think you were pressing it before. Here. Oh, you can press it there as well. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Do you know what? I didn't know that did that. I've been doing that bit. Why does it have 2 buttons?
I don't know.
I was about to take the piss out of you for not knowing how to operate the walkie-talkie. I was going, you're a test driver. You don't know how to operate this simple equipment, though, you idiot.
All right, Matt, just to recap, we'd like another go, and we just need to do 1 rolly burnout, and then we'll roll in together. Is that okay with you?
You can do your rolling burnout, get yourself happy, run out of excuses, and then we can run it again, and then we can win, and then we'll go into a drag race.
Yeah, that's fine. Also, we just need to stop after the burnout to put it back into the optimal settings, okay?
Okay, it's quite confusing. I'm just driving. It could be my mum doing this.
Yeah, you see? That's why I'm not paid.
Yeah.
I do it for free.
Yeah, me.
It's so simple.
Hey,
Yeah,
just
pull
chilling
forward in
in
the Audi,
Bugatti.
and we'll follow you up there.
He called it an Audi.
Ready?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready to go.
Matthew Watson, we are good to go.
All right, okay, here we go. No excuses this time.
Come on, Bagay!
All right. He's taking off.
Traction, we got the traction. Have we got enough of a lead?
Taking off.
Help!
Do you reckon we've got it, Goran? Come on!
I think we may have gotten it. I don't know, it's trying to reel him back in. Uh-oh.
He's coming now!
Wait a minute.
He's coming now!
Wait a minute.
Come on!
Wait a minute. Oh, shit.
Come on! Come on!
Oh, he got him.
Oh!
That is insane. He reeled him back in. Oh, that is insane.
Oh!
I think we lost this one.
Yeah.
Oh, no way!
It was close.
That's a photo finish.
That's a photo finish.
Formal protest.
Denied.
Reasons. I've got some reasons. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure I've got some. That is so close. That is a proper photo finish. I've got a
He got
horrible feeling though. You might have just had us on
He
the
got
line.
him right
We
at the
definitely
end.
won. And I had to modulate the throttle the whole way through that run. Marcus, did I?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, the
can
car
see it.
was sliding the whole time I was modulating that.
Okay, right.
All right.
Shall we see
All right.
what's what with the drag race?
Yeah, I'm not doing that again, so drag race is fine.
Okay, this is it. The time has come. We're going
All
to
right.
do the quarter mile drag race.
Okay. Oh, he hooked.
No.
Stop.
I'm going to
so
turn around
good.
and come back down the runway. It just aborted. I held it on too long.
Oh, so what you're saying is you made a mistake?
I made a mistake. See, it's easy to admit mistakes, Sam. You can do it.
I've heard about these things. I've never made one or had one myself, but I can sympathise from what I've seen of them.
I can only imagine the arguments in your household.
There's no arguments when you're always right. It's quite easy.
All right, let's go. Spinning.
Come on,
Damn it,
Bagay.
took off.
Oh, snake in, snake in.
It took
We got it, we got it, we got him, yes! Smashed him. He's coming now, though.
We have to keep up. Nope.
Whee! Woo!
That was a good
So,
one.
what excuses do you have, Sam?
You're running a four-wheel drive car. Formal protest. That's cheating. Secondly, we were catching you hand over fist. I mean, like, just dogging you in. So, formal protest. Umpire, if you're listening, I want to do a quarter-mile race, but I want it to be a half-mile long. Okay?
So you want to do a half-mile drag race, basically.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Should we do that?
Why not?
Why not?
Oh, this is going to be close.
We are here.
We are here.
Yeah, might
Let's
as well.
do it.
Fuck
Okay,
it, a
winner
half-mile
takes all.
race.
Winner takes all.
If we win, I agree to winner takes all.
I'll tell you what, Sam. Whoever wins, they get to keep the other person's car.
Marcus has agreed that winner owns the car, so this is a pink slip race. That is agreed.
All right.
But first, what exactly happened? Well, the Bugatti won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.6 seconds. The Koenig
That's crazy. The standard quarter mile in 9 seconds. Crazy, bro.
Sig took 9.9 seconds. But now it's time to raise the stakes and race
Think
over a
about that,
standing
bro.
half mile. But now it's time he won. It completed the
Think
standing
about
quarter
that,
mile
bro.
in 9.6 seconds.
9.6 seconds stock. I mean, granted, it is a multi-million-dollar car, so it better be doing damn near close to 8 seconds. But this, once again, you're still in a Bugatti, you're still in a Koenigsegg. I mean, most people not really pushing their cars like that.
The Koenigsegg took 9.9 seconds. But now it's time to raise the stakes and race over a standing half mile. Come on.
A little bit of
Whoa,
slippage.
it's everywhere. Come on now. enough of a lead.
Come on!
Keep in, keep in.
Come on!
Uh-oh.
We've got him over the quarter mile. He's coming though. Come on, Baghetti.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep.
Come on!
Yep.
Come on.
Yep. Yep. Got him. Got him on that half mile. Oh my God.
Oh!
Yes!
Ooh, got him on that half mile. Crazy.
You cheated.
Sorry, what? I cheated in my rear-wheel drive car. Good for you.
You cheated. You jumped the start.
Not true.
You've got more power.
Not true.
Off.
Absolutely did not cheat. Formal protest.
You didn't cheat. You weren't fair and square. This is your car now. You get to take it home.
Thank you so much. We'll split it over a bottle of Bolly. Thank you.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Koenigsegg won. It completed the standing half mile in 14.6 seconds, whereas the
Crazy,
Bugatti
bro.
took 14.8 seconds. Okay, let's do a brake test.
Look at this again, bro. Look at this. Just the time.
Mile in 14.6
14.6 seconds.
seconds, whereas the Bugatti
14.8. That's like 2 frames. The car's there. A half a mile is long, bro. To complete that in 14 seconds is crazy.
took 14.8 seconds. Okay, let's do a brake test from 100 miles an hour or 160 kilometers an hour.
And I know the brakes are really good too. I know the brakes are really good.
I think they hit a bit sooner.
Wow.
Please change the battery.
Oh.
That's how I feel.
Please change the battery.
Shut up. Was my braking bad?
No, I think they lost speed. They came faster. They
Yeah.
lifted off, lose speed, and that's.
I think he always does that.
Damn.
That's why he always wins. Did I cheat or did I do it right?
No, you did it right. I think you did it right.
And I couldn't hit it any harder.
No.
I don't know why I always lose. You must have braked early, right, Sam?
I mean, I braked correctly and on the line.
I give up. Listen, I've got to say a huge thank you to everyone who's taken part. Thank you.
This was tough, man. This was definitely tough, bro. I would love to be able to do something like this just for the hell of it, man. Like being able to race these cars the way they're supposed to be raced is dope. If you're a car enthusiast, this video should have definitely made you smile and just appreciate these beautiful vehicles and them being used in this way, because you don't really see too many of these hypercars like this being used like this, other than like on performance tracks by the engineers and the drivers themselves and stuff like that. Like, you don't really see too many drag races with these type of vehicles. So this was actually pretty cool. But hey, comment down below, let me know some of the car related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. I appreciate all love, support. Road to 30K, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.